I have the pleasure to welcome you to Swinburne University here in Victoria, where we're going to launch the new concrete-to-concrete module as part of PROFIS. We've invited the top specifiers from Western Australia, South Australia, and of course here in Victoria. With this new module, we are going to make construction and make specifications more productive and more agile for the specifiers.
Recent developments in design standards and qualification guidelines allow now tailored solutions for almost every concrete-to-concrete connection with post-install reinforcement. However, the level of complexity is increasing. With PROFIS Engineering, we help the designer to connect the dots, to connect their own application, cutting-edge hardware solution, and state-of-the-art design methods to reach a solution which is optimized, code-compliant, and most importantly, safe.
From what I've seen from the event today, I think it's going to really change the industry, particularly for specifiers and constructors, make our designs quicker, more efficient to install, safer for the people on site, and more effective for our engineers to use these tools to design effectively. With my experience using those new modules, it's been excellent. Knowing how to use PROFIS Engineering already, it's a very intuitive way of designing concrete-to-concrete connections. Everything's extremely easy to use, easy to see, and some great visualizations.
It's a fantastic event that Hilti put on to actually educate the industry. I see this post-installed rebar system being really useful in day-to-day engineering work through the construction phase of a project where you do have construction defects, and post-installed anchor systems are really great solutions for solving a lot of those problems. We've used PROFIS regularly. It's really great software that just makes the post-installed anchor design really straightforward, gives you a good report output for calculations. The new module with the concrete-to-concrete connections, it looks really good as a method to quickly design some of those issues that come up on construction sites, or to specify post-installed starter bars for precast panels and the like.
The development that we're talking about today is part of that journey where we have expanded our design models, and that is to allow us to get more efficiency out of bonded anchors, and we can use them into new applications where the current models have certain limitations. So we see that as a positive development. It gives designers, structural engineers, greater level of flexibility in designing moment connections in what traditionally has been complicated or difficult conditions.
At the moment, what we are doing is a very conservative approach. So this type of software is very valuable to the engineers to design this development length or anchorage length or lap length. We didn't have this type of facility which could enormously reduce the development length and lap length, in my opinion.
We're really looking forward to this being a very productive and efficient module for our specifiers, and in the end, making construction better for everybody in Australia.